In a world where modern comforts are often taken for granted, the allure of off-grid living holds a unique charm, offering self-sufficiency and a deeper connection with nature. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to discover the art of building an off-grid survival cabin, a refuge where one can thrive, untethered from the constraints of conventional living. Our first step is selecting the ideal location. It's crucial to find a spot that offers both accessibility and seclusion, a delicate balance between the tranquility of solitude and the practicality of reaching essential resources. Consider factors such as the availability of natural water sources, sunlight exposure, and elevation to avoid flooding. The proximity to forests or fields for sourcing wood and other natural materials is also essential. Once the ideal location is pinpointed, you lay the foundation of your dreams. The foundation of your cabin is its backbone, ensuring stability and longevity. Depending on the terrain, there are several options to consider. Traditional concrete footings for a solid base, pier blocks for uneven ground, or a gravel pad that adds natural drainage capabilities. This decision should reflect the landscape, climate, and your personal needs. Next, we move on to the heart of the structure, the frame. Using locally sourced lumber can significantly cut costs and reduce environmental impact. For this step, precision is key. Ensuring that your frame is square and level lays the groundwork for every subsequent building task. The frame defines the shape of your cabin, a skeletal outline visible against the sky, promising shelter and warmth. Now we turn our focus to the walls. The material you select must offer durability and insulation, battling the extremes of weather. In many off-grid settings, log walls are a favorable choice, providing natural insulation while blending seamlessly into the landscape. However, one could also consider straw bales or cordwood construction for their environmental benefits and unique aesthetic appeal. Our journey now takes us above, to erect the roof. As the primary shield against the elements, the roof must be robust. Materials such as metal or recycled rubber shingles not only protect against rain and snow, but also have reflective properties helping regulate indoor temperature. Pay attention to the pitch of the roof. A steep angle facilitates easy shedding of snow and rain, prolonging the roof's life. Creating the cabin's interior is the next phase, where function and comfort intertwine. Focus on essential elements: a wood stove for warmth that doubles as a cooking source, multi-purpose furniture to save space, and strategically placed windows that fill the cabin with natural light, reducing dependency on artificial illumination. Utilizing reclaimed materials such as doors or fixtures can add character and sustainability to your project. An essential aspect of thriving off-grid is establishing water and energy systems. For water, consider rainwater harvesting or installing a well. Treat the sourced water to ensure it is suitable for drinking. As for energy, solar panels are a popular choice for their efficiency and low environmental impact. Monitoring usage and storing power in batteries grants the freedom to utilize electricity even in low sun periods. With every nail hammered and every beam secured, it's vital to remember the essence of off-grid living, maintaining harmony with the land. Implement waste management practices that complement your surroundings, such as composting toilets or gray water systems that transform waste into resources. As we conclude our exploration, building an off-grid survival cabin is an endeavor that transcends mere construction. It is about creating a symbiotic relationship with the environment, understanding its cycles, and respecting its offerings. Your cabin is not just a structure. It becomes a testament to human resilience and creativity, a sanctuary where one can immerse in the natural world and achieve true independence. Whether you seek solitude, adventure, or a sustainable lifestyle, This guide serves as a compass, directing you towards a fulfilling and self-reliant experience. Embrace this journey with patience and reverence, and watch your off-grid sanctuary come to life, a reflection of freedom amidst the vast wilderness.